Okay, so what we've done so far since our last phase 3 video was that we had a merged database, but it had a whole bunch of personal information in it, so we couldn't really show it to anyone or do anything with it until we stripped that information. So what I did is I went and uploaded into R, was able to strip out those columns that had all of the personal information. Then we were able to re-download that into a workable file for both ourselves and our client.
And next we want to do some analyses on the subscores, and we had to create both a religion and academic subscore. So for the religion, for 2014 and 2016, there were 10 questions asked of students about their religiosity. So we just averaged those scores, which were 1 to 5 on a Likert scale.
For the academic subscores, initially the questions that were positive and negative were on the same scale. So we had to write a Python script that would flip the positive scales in order to make it so adding up the scores would give us a meaningful subscore. We also wrote a script that compiles the academic answers into one column and gives it an overall subscore.
This is useful because it allows us to operate with fewer columns, thus making our calculations easier and our graphs more meaningful. We are able to now start analyzing it. We're going to try and make some box plots, some scatter plots, to try and see some relations between some of the variables. Hopefully we'll be able to get into some statistical analysis with it before the end of the project.
Analyzing these subscores will probably be the final thing we do with this project due to time.